what a night. The night. Chicago died. Oh, what a night. Wow. But I never give up. I'm gonna eat some more of my I can't talk. This is gonna be my supper. Well, I just ate one Mexican ice cream, and now I'm gonna eat another one. I want to watch some SmackDown. Yeah. Let's watch some SmackDown. I want to brush my hair. Oh my God, it's all tangled up. I had a rough night. Oh my God. Oh my God. I must have been on live stream about 9 o'clock at night. Got to bed at 10 maybe. Woke up at midnight. Oh my God, my fucking head was splitting. I'm so glad I didn't smash them cans over my head. I am so glad. I remember last time I did that. My head was sore for 3 days. And that's what my he'll be gym hat. He'll be gym hat on. God, this feels so good. Okay. So yeah, I went to Air Gas and Beaver Dam. Got me a new pair of safety glasses. Yes. A new pair of safety glasses. The yellow ones. Those were always my favorite. My mistake was borrowing them out to a so-called friend. They were all scratched up. I got them back. Got them back 3 weeks later. They were all, he said he kept them in his car. And he just throws his shit anywhere. So they were all scratched up. The nose piece was broken off. And I could not believe it. I could not believe it. Here, let's do this first. Hard Mike's the last one. You know, wondering why I always show you the top? Prove that it's not been opened. Like I'm gonna fake drinking a Hard Mike's lemonade. I got this shit figured out. This ice cream is so good. Strawberry. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good. That's so good. But real strawberries. So good. Oh my God. Actually, this would be good for my stomach because all them eggs and shit. I just couldn't wait to get home. Blast some more shit. Couldn't shit at work. Couldn't shit at all. Wait, well maybe I did. Wait, let me think about it. Yeah, I think I did. But it was a good solid shit. Must have been all that chicken. Because I ate 2 pounds of chicken. Or 2 chickens. I ate those 2 split chickens. Then I ate that whole other chicken. Oh no, I didn't. Take that back. I ate half of it. So I ate a chicken and a half. And get in my car today, I feel it. Well, I gotta stop eating like that. That's why this is my supper tonight. Ice cream. And I did that before too. They say best way to get rid of a hangover is to drink another whatever you've been drinking. Oh yeah, I feel my stomach bubbling up already. There's milk in here. I think one more. Shit's gonna bust loose. It's just gonna be busting loose. I am so fucking thirsty. Oh, I feel better now. Seriously, I feel better. I feel a lot better now. My stomach's in a lot of pain though. Gee, I wonder why. I'll be alright. In 3 days, I'll be fine. I should have did that shit on a Friday. Yeah, I should have did that shit on a Friday. Because, give me 2 days to recuperate. Or 3 days to recuperate. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That was stupid of me to do it on a Sunday. Then go to work within 5 hours. Go to work feeling like shit. But it was well worth it because I now have 600 subscribers. Woo! Celebration. Here's to my 600 subscribers. That was the last can. Oh, I don't feel so good. I think I'm gonna get one more ice cream. I'll be right back. One more. I'm so fucked up. I can walk into there sideways. That didn't work out like you're doing this. This is coconut. Oh, it's so good. I could eat these all day. That is so good. Oh my God. It's just so good. Real coconut. This is for my 600 subscribers. Celebration. Oh my God, that was so good. I think I'm gonna have one more. Fuck it. One more. I think it's some pineapple. There we go. Pineapple. Yep. Oh, it's helping me swallow the coconut faster. Actually, the coconut's gone now. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, how many of these I can eat before I get sick? I think I should try it. Gotta clean out my system. I need to clean out my system. That's probably why I'm doing it. Eat all those dead chickens out of me and feathers and beaks and feet and eggshells. That's probably why my stomach's hurting. My eggshells I swallowed last night.